Okay? Then, if we're using the intersection, that's where, hello? Remember on a graph, if I have a line like that, maybe I know a certain dollar amount, I'm going to pop a straight over line and try and figure out where they intersect. I do that by going down to Y2. So push the downward arrow on your calculator. We're going to put in a Y2. We're going to say, where does Nico's account earn $1,600? Where does it cross the 1,600 line? So I just put in 1600. Okay. Now, let's see. I think it's in calc. Who remembers? Second, calc, intersect. Oh, good. You guys see the intersect? I went second, calc. We used the value feature a lot, and we used this intersect feature back in the day. So go down to 5, where it says intersect, press enter. Okay, you may need to go to your window. I pushed zoom 0 to get my window dimensions back to something for this little thing. If you're getting an error, it may be your window. Okay, notice it says first curve question mark, and there's a blinky cursor. Push enter. Now the blinky cursor has moved up and it says second curve. Push enter. Now what does your screen say? If we've done first curve, second curve, what's the third prompt there? A little question mark at the bottom. Does anybody have this working? Okay, here, I'm on the roll. Let's take a look at this. Okay. Oh, you got to get the right functions in there. 1, 6, 0, 0, not Y, 1.
Ready?
Okay. Yes. Yes. No, just, it doesn't have, it just has the, a 0. Okay. Now, zoom 9. 0. Yes, and then there was a second function. You put in 1600. Gentlemen, can you put both brains together instead of drumming? Try and get your y equals working. Okay, now graph. Wait, yeah. Here's zoom 9, because I can't see the other. Zoom 9. Okay, how about zoom 0? Need that other line. Oh, there we go. Kinda. Okay, now try to intersect. I think I see it right there. Try the intersect feature. Okay, good. Now you need the second thing you need is this number, 1600. Now go graph. So let's go. Oh, harder. Oh, look at this. Let's see. Negative 20, scale 1. Negative 20. Yeah, scale 1. Oh, we did it. Okay, try the intersect. Window. See all this? Hey, folks. The zoom, we're not getting it to do, but if you go into your window and change the mins and max to -20, +20, that's working for people. But the scale must be 1. -20, +20, oops, 20, both of them. Okay, now graph. White. That looks good.
Whoa. What just happened here now?
Oh, finally. Persistence. Good. Scale 1. There you go. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Good. Good. Well, let's see. Y equals both. This y. So, -20, +20, 1, -20, What the heck is going on over here, folks? Wow, you got it. Hey. Here we go, my friends. Bringing it back together on. We got a lot of you to this. Hey, folks, when in doubt, this window did this for me. But what I did to a lot of your calculators is go and make -20, +20 scale 1, -20, +20 scale 1, graph, okay, zoom, 0, oh, that didn't work, zoom, 0. All right. So I had to fiddle with the window, and you guys get used to going into that window. The minimum should be a negative number. The maximum a positive number. Could you two quit that?
What?
Oh, don't act all innocent. You two quit running into each other, okay? Now, second calc. Hey, are you with me? Second calc.
Easy.
We go to that intersect by scrolling on down to 5. Push enter. See the word first curve. Hello? Is anybody out there? Do you see the word first curve?
I see it. It says first curve.
Good. Push enter. See the word second curve. You guys see second curve? Push enter. You see the word guess. Broads, you gotta look on the calculator too. Someday you're gonna do it on your own. Guess. Whew. What the heck do you think we're looking for? The answer's there. What do you see? 12. 12 what? T equals 12 years. What we just figured out is how many years is it gonna take for his $1,000 to grow to $1,600. Whew! Double. What does double mean? No, what did he start with? 1,000. So what's double? 2,000. Okay, let's use intersect. Back to y equals. We're not worried about 1,600 anymore. Leave y1 the same, but change y2 to 2,000. Second calc, intersect. Please work, please work. Okay, that's looking good. And first curve, enter. Second curve, enter. Guess, enter. Notice that the little blinky cursor has moved to right where they crisscross. What's the intersect there? Here's Nico's function. And here's the hypothetical amount of 2,000. What this intersect is where does Nico reach 2,000, the level of 2,000? What do you see, Anna? X equals 20 or T equals 20 years. All right. Sometimes in these simple interest problems, you're going to be looking for an amount of money in the account. Sometimes in these problems, you're going to know an amount of money and you're trying to find what was the years to get to that amount. Questions? That is definitely more than enough for today. Books up in the cupboard, calculators in their box. You should be working on your homework packet.